Today we're going to be cleaning a US stove model 8500 multi-fuel furnace. We're using a brush to do this. You may want to use the scraper that US stove provides if you've got creosote buildup. And if you have a vacuum cleaner, put the nozzle right up inside the door opening. This will keep the fly ash from blowing up in your face. We're banging the top of the heat exchanger there where that perforated panel's at. I normally don't pull that out till the end of the season or when it needs it. Yeah, we're going to pull the agitator out, remove the pin, and you're going to want to rotate that agitator till the outings are in a horizontal position. Once in the horizontal position, you can lift the agitator up and slide it to the left, and you should be able to lift the pot out without any trouble. And we'll set that aside for cleaning later on in the video. Try to sweep out as much of the ash inside the burn chamber down through those lower ash clean out doors. We'll be removing the upper rear clean out doors here in just a sec.
As you can see, there's quite a bit of ash that forms back in that heat chamber on the back side of those doors. You're going to want to take the vacuum and vacuum out as much of that as possible.
It's important when you remove this door to vacuum the ash out that collects up in that draft fan cavity. We're going to clean out the T coming off the side of the furnace. A lot of fly ash collects up in this area. You're going to want to make sure you get all that out. Depending upon your ductwork, you may be able to tap the sides of it and break loose a fair amount of that fly ash that's in there. Buildup of fly ash in the ductwork is going to affect your drafting of your furnace and your burn rate. So you want to make sure you keep that clean. Now this little mod here with 1-inch styrofoam works real nice to clean out the inside of your furnace. And it also keeps the fly ash from spilling out into the room. Another little trick is to use a leaf blower to clean your ductwork out. It will blow the ash right on out the top of the chimney or your side of your home, however you have it ducted. We'll find a little clean up here in that cavity there by the draft fan. And we're going to clean the agitator and the burn pot. I use hot water with TSP detergent. And the longer you let it soak, the easier the scale comes off. You want to try and get as much of the scale off of that burn pot as possible. And let that scale build up, it becomes more and more difficult. Normally I don't clean the burn pot out maybe only once a month, once every couple weeks, depending upon the heat range you're running and the type of fuel you're burning. You can pretty much look at it and tell whether or not you need to pull the burn pot and the agitator for cleaning with the detergent. This is an aftermarket stainless steel agitator. You can see how nice and clean it comes out. It runs super quiet, no squeaking. Will probably outlast the life of your furnace. And it's redesigned to remove and install easier for cleaning. You want to make sure that you rotate that agitator in the burn pot. Make sure there's no clearance problems. Here's a comparison of the factory standard agitator. You can see the erosion that's taken place with 2 tons burning on that, and the aftermarket 3 tons burned, and the agitator, the stainless steel agitator, looks like brand new.